Oh yeah, right. What I'll do now, I'm going to show you now some of the features in the back office My Lead System Pro of what you get with this membership, okay? Because sometimes it is hard to explain over by chat, phone, so it's easier to show you, okay? So first of all, okay, we're in the back office now. Now we have a step-by-step system will help you get leads, build your business online in the correct manner. So when you log in, whatever package you choose, okay, you start here and a simple setup, okay, and follow all the steps, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, how to set up the system and how to do the fundamentals. It's only a quick few minutes of each video. After that, then, with help from myself, you set up then your autoresponder. Okay, so that means if you've got an autoresponder like ABBA Get Response, you link it up to your autoresponder, so you have people coming to your autoresponder and My Lead System Pro back office. And it's the best part on your training libraries. Okay, you have a lot of training here to help you. And what I would recommend is picking one strategy at the moment and then improve your skills over that strategy or one platform. And you've got, first of all, I would say to you, download these, put them up on your wall, and you got access bonus, okay, which is included in the membership. Right, I help you and get leads, okay, online video and bonus, okay, straight away. I'll go through that, Facebook, and these then where it all starts. You've got attraction marketing, how it explains target market branding and creating content, how do you do that. And this is a powerful one, the vision, meditation, mindset. This is now helping you get your mindset focused. What do you do each day? That's very good. Then you got systems and daily method operation, list management, customer development. That's good to manage your people. This one I would recommend. System campaigns, get leads now. This is what MLSP gets for you. You give out free training to people, then they give you information and you can talk to them about how you help them, where they need to go and what direction. And then this is one other tool to get is Customer Relation Manager. I'll show you that now. And the webinars you give out. Then course, then you got blogging, Facebook challenges, Facebook Live, Facebook ads beginner, Twitter, social media marketing, networking, prospecting, social media marketing, prospecting, people attract you, what's new, Instagram. You got how to create content like videos, how to create banners. It's unbelievable. And when you start getting better in contact, how do you create the first ebook you give away? That's very important when you start branding yourself. When you brand yourself and not your company, it's very powerful. Storytelling profits, video marketing. Everybody likes a story, okay? And your story is the most powerful story you can share. And then Facebook, message marketing, that's good. Mobile leads, Facebook. Paid ads, story ads, Facebook. Retargeting and pixel tracking. Facebook video ads, good. You got this. Periscope, Twitter, Pinterest, Snapchat, YouTube marketing. And I can go on then. Webinars, copyrighted training, that's good. When you start writing your emails, your branding posts, look at that. When you start coaching, how to do your coaching and get the income stream for that. Funnelizer is another tool we offer in the back office. Keyword search, making money, hosting webinars, outsourcing. That's good. When you've got a big team and you've got so much going, outsourcing is very good. SEO for your blog and SAP integration like this. And then you've got these that help you in getting leads, how to call leads for MLSP, get leads today, prospecting strangers, that's cold market, success in MM. Okay, all them free with your membership. That's one part of the member you get. That's priceless. What you got then? Okay, you got a training vault. If you have some coaching on MLSP, you have got hundreds and hundreds coaching here. Okay, all these coaching and training webinars. It's unbelievable. Every song you got success, video marketing, 53 trainings, personal development, 590, lead generation, 550. But it's changed. You've got to have some coaching to get that. And then here we go. Okay, this is the money in the bank. Okay, this is what you do to get leads. You have all these funnels, okay, you give away, people who want to come in the community, profit campaigns. What you can do with this, if you've got a, say, a funnelizer web, you can offer this at the end, or you've got a funnel, you can offer this, and all these small little incentives to give the people training, and you can earn from it. Product campaigns where you keep some of the profits, right? All this work that I got shown. And this then, sister campaigns that you spoke about, one of the trainings. You've got all these trainings, okay, to give away to people to help them build a business. And what you get then is their information and help them. If they come in community with you, you start coaching them, helping them, and you get commission. You got my lead system site. This is another tool you have with your membership. If you're starting a blog, well, this when get you set up like that. You get all the plugins, all the themes, and all the templates there for you. So you do is add your own brand to it. I do that myself. I show you, if you go to the website in another training, then you've got MLSP Funnelizer where you create your own funnel, your own landing page. That's another for another training. This then show all your prospects you got. Your content all hosted here. Store where you get extra bonuses. And all these, and you got the how to link your tracking into Facebook, how to get your business opportunity there, you get images, articles, videos you can host, and you got 100% support and much, much more. And the main thing, you got the leaders to help you, you got the community in the private community group. For me, it's priceless. And also what it's done for me, helped me in personal development. Every day you get training. Morning wake up call, you get training on Wednesdays, Mondays and Tuesdays. For me it's priceless, and I'll be honest, it saved my life, but that's for another story, okay? So you get all that now, and it's different packages, so I can get the packages now, okay? Be honest, I can't find the packages now. Yes, different packages. There's professional, basic, 3 levels of packages, okay? But I would highly recommend starting at the professional one I got. You got everything there for you, get everything for you, okay? Also, you take a 10-day trial for $10 and you can test it out. If you don't like it, get your money back. Okay, if you know more, please shoot me an email I'll shoot me a message on Facebook. I'll happy and explain more to you. I hope that covers everything. Okay, so till then, I'll stand you, take care.